Coda, we're here.
Here we are at the beautiful Bay Bayou RV Resort in Tampa, Florida. We're so excited to be there and not in the frozen cold of New York. I wanted to give you a little preamble for this review because it's definitely different than like the dozens we've done before. And if you're subscribers to the channel, this may sound a little nitpicky to you because it was just so different. We've been to so many resorts and they've all had so much energy and everything was new and shiny and beautiful. And this one definitely had a little different feel down here in Florida. So as I did my editing and I'm watching it, I'm like, I hope people don't think that I'm pulling this place apart and we didn't have a great time, because we loved it. We're actually going back to stay again, and we are fans and we would recommend it, but we also have like a responsibility to share our experience, share what we saw, share how things work. Some stuff works good, some stuff doesn't work so good. And that's really our job here on YouTube, to give you guys a tour so you know what to expect when you go on trips. So hit that like button, watch the video. Feel free to comment below if you think we were fair or unfair or on point or off point, or if you've stayed there and you had a great time, let us know. If you have other suggestions, also do that. Enjoy the video, and we're looking forward to hearing from you. What do you say we go on that walking tour? Okay, so I don't know what this section is particularly called, but I just thought you might be curious what it looks like when you have one of these drama from those two. Okay, so this is like one of the generic sections where they're very on top of each other, kind of like boom, 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 right next to each other. You're definitely going to get to know your neighbor. But it's definitely pretty. Look, this guy has a nice palm tree. I like that. Maybe we could get a palm tree next time. Oh, yeah. Okay, here was one of my other questions. Like, if they're going to discriminate and say you can't have old equipment, I'm assuming it's because they don't like the look of old equipment, because you could have an immaculate, really well-maintained older piece of equipment, something like an Airstream. Like this one could be new, but it looks like it's straight out of 1950. But they seem to don't want the 1950, and it could be from 1950. This one does look new. But I don't understand why, if you had a beautiful Airstream, a vintage Airstream from 1970, which looks exactly like this piece of equipment, why they wouldn't want it here. Odd. Okay, inside of this less than architecturally stimulating building is, let's check out the men's room. Very nice, certainly clean, kind of basic men's room. There's a shower there. Yeah, I mean, I guess it really is just designed to serve the purpose of being a men's room, and that's what it is. Okay, so the other thing we noted is these two bathrooms seem to be closed for cleaning from 10:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. It's a lot of cleaning for 3 hours for two bathrooms, but okay, whatever. And there's also laundry services here. Again, very much like the bathroom, certainly functional. Not up to the standards of like all the modern places we've been, but I am sure if you need to do a little laundry, it will work just fine. So this is the fishing pier, which, okay, this is perfect. You can really tell what I'm talking about. You have this beautiful bayou, pond area to go fishing, and it sounds like you're on the highway. It's like this weird mix of like pretty nice hangout, go fishing in the quiet, but it definitely sounds like you're on the highway while you're doing your serene fishing. Okay, so I also wanted to say, we're down here at the far corner. This is our little street, our new street, but as you can see by the cars going by, especially at night and early in the morning, there is a lot of road noise that you can clearly hear in this park. During the day when life is going on and stuff, you kind of tend not to notice it much, but like definitely a lot of road noise during the quiet hours.
Too bad for those people.
Nikki feels bad for those people who are right next to the highway.
They don't get to pick where they are. They give you, you tell the campsite, the size of your camper. You kind of tell them what you want. You say if you want the new like concrete pads, or if you want these like pebble with the pad, you know, for your outside area. And they say, well, you'll just know when you get here. We'll do the best to accommodate you if you have a certain pick, but you don't really have a choice where you go.
Okay, I'm not good at Florida sports, but I'm pretty sure that that is bocce. And then over here, welcome to Florida, because we have shuffleboard. I'm laughing because we actually have a lot of fun playing shuffleboard when we're on cruises and stuff, but not used to seeing, ooh, nice equipment too for their shuffleboard. I guess if you're a shuffleboarder, this is an excellent RV center for you. All right, just because it is not a big site, let's take a quick look at the pool here. Kind of a nice little pool area. Clean, organized, conventional, very nice. Okay, we're videoing the duck encounter because we had one this morning. It was very scary for the 50-pound dog. Had some serious issues.
Oh, they're out on the path.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still listening.
Don't worry, they can't hurt him, honey, I'm just telling you. And he doesn't really chase after them because they're scary. What kind? Are you a dog? Kona? Kona. Okay. You're supposed to, number one, notice the ducks. Actually be interested in the ducks. Nope. Just wandering around. All right. Okay. Well, the ducks are very cute. This is a very pretty pond area here. This is actually the dog walk trail in the morning. Everybody, there's like a big parade through here walking their dogs. And it's beautiful. As part of our walk down our beautiful little street here, this is the new section where they have full concrete pads, which are very nice. We have one of these diagonal ones. We'll give you a tour of a little later. And one of the interesting things about this campground is they are very snooty about the RV that you have. When you call to make a reservation, they're gonna grill you over the age of your RV, and if you are over 15 years old, you are not welcome here. Unless, of course, you happen to be our neighbor, whom they seem to have made an exception for. All right, here we are. It is the morning of the big adventure back up north. I just finished packing up the rig. I just wanted to show you, forget the service guys golf cart, but this lovely RV, which is like as old as I am, way over the 15-year-old ageist rule, has been here for a full 2 weeks with no human beings. So after all their bluster about no vehicles over 15 years old, the one they park in our backyard for 2 weeks without it moving is an ancient eyesore. A little weird. Okay, so here is one of my favorite services at Bay Bayou. It's the Propane. Watch this. You come in here, all you do is put your empty tank here before 1 o'clock, you put your name on it, see they have their name on it, and they refill it, put it here, you just come pick it up, and they bill you. It's great, super easy, nice way to do it. I'm a fan, and as you can see, the garbage is right across the parking lot. All right. Here at the high-end area, they do not have garbage. You know, like most places, they pick it up in the morning for you if you leave it out front. Not here. Not that this is a big deal, but you might get that service for paying for it. All right, let's go try to check out the inside. I'm trying to not say it looks like an old folks home, but hey, how are you?
Yeah.
Looks, yeah, so just an open space. Got a library, I know the computers here somewhere. Computers, activities, they have a mailroom. And then this would be the way back out to the pool. Alright. Walk's over, time to return to the office. Oh, look at that! It's the beautiful Miss Nicole. Hi, where are we going today?
We are going to Savannah, Georgia.
Yes, we are. Very good. You got it right. Nicely done. Let's head out.
Let's hit the road.